Welcome to this new video. This video is regarding tab order in Power BI visualization. Of course, we know tab order means it is a user-friendly keyboard function. In the keyboard, if you check, there will be a key called tab. So if you want to move the controls in the page, you can use the tab, but the tab should be in correct order. So how you will be getting the order correctly? So there will be a tab when you search, there will be a tab here in the menu, that is view tab. You go to view and here you will be able to see selection. So here you can take off this filter if you don't want, and you can select the selection. So when you select the selection tab, you will be getting a small window in the side, right side, the selection window. Here you can arrange the tab order. So you can see the tab order here. You can arrange the tab order here with respect to the controls that are there in the page. So you can just see one. We have some 6 controls here, 6 visuals here. And now if you press the tab button, if you select the page and if you press the tab button, first tab came to the page and the second tab came to here. Actually, the tab should come here. It should go like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It should go like this. But the first tab itself, it is coming here in the category name slicer, and the second tab it is going to the year month slicer, and the third tab it is not in a correct order. Third tab is going to the card visual. So to make it in a correct order, we can go to this. So it is, see here it is shown as first is the slicer, second is also the slicer. So when you select the slicer here, it will be getting the selected. It will be the slicer here is getting selected. So how you can do is that first, if you want to make this tab as the first one, you can go to this card. This is the fourth card. You can move it to the top. Then the second card, you can move it to the second, and this should be the third one. So this slicer, I am moving it above to the third one, and this is already in the fourth position. And total sales by year, this pie chart, same total sales by year, and the last one is total sales by product name. So now if you select this page and if you select the tab, the first one is coming here. Yes, the second one is coming to the second card visual. Third one should come here. And now, yes, the third one came. And now I am pressing once again the tab. It came to the category name slicer, and the fourth one came to this pie chart, and the fifth one came to the bar chart. So in this way, you can arrange the tab position here. That will be very good for the user to handle it without the mouse. You can. So hope it was a meaningful video. Have a nice day.